Hello, fashion lovers. Welcome to Splendor Show, Splendor TV. Today is all about a makeup tutorial. Just watch out and see how the makeup bring out the look of this beautiful lady. Classy, simple, and elegant lady. Just watch till the end. Like, comment, and share, and see how she will glow after the makeup. So just watch, look, and capture how the makeup is going in her face. Just watch, like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more beautiful videos like this. So subscribe, like, and share this video for more people to see this beautiful, simple, and classy makeup of a bride that look classy, gorgeous, awesome. Like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe for more videos.